we are going to simplify 2 to the 40th power over 4 to the 20th power. And I got this question from the Math League contest. Well, let's see. Remember, we need to have the base being the same, right? The base here is 2. The base here is 4. But we know 4 is the same as 2 squared. So let's go ahead and look at the 4 right here. And let me just keep the top as how it is. So we have 2 to the 40th power over, rewrite this as 2 to the second power and then raise that to the 20th power. And guess what? When we have 2 to the second power and then raise to the 20th power, we can just multiply the powers together. So the top is still 2 to the 40th power, but the bottom, we get actually the same thing. 2 times that is 40. So guess what? This over that, they're exactly the same thing. So the answer is just equal to 1. So nice, huh?